some cucumbers. I wrote on my little trays here, cuke 140111, which is the seed number from Mackenzie. And we just filled these little trays with potting soil, and we're putting the seed in each one. That's good. Just cover it up. And we'll do the other 4. When we're done, we'll get some water and we'll water them. Alright, can you put the lid on it? We've got cucumbers, sunflowers, and onions. And we'll put the lid on it, and then hopefully we can find a windowsill to put them on so we can watch. We won't put this one down in the greenhouse in the basement. We'll just watch it as they sprout up. Alright, there's those 3 started. Alright, so this window is roughly south facing. And we'll just put them there and we can tend to them and the kids can watch them as they grow.